Hey beautiful souls, and welcome back to Spirituality Source. In 2026, the world is louder, faster, and more demanding than ever. Are you feeling it? That constant hum of overwhelm, the nagging sense that you're just on autopilot. If you're craving a deep reset, a profound reconnection to yourself, then you've landed in the right place. Today, we're diving into the ultimate transformative retreat guide. This isn't just about taking a vacation. It's about initiating a profound personal revolution. We're going to explore what these retreats actually are, why you need one now more than ever, and how to find the perfect one for your unique energy. So, what is a transformative retreat? Forget everything you think you know about holidays. A vacation is about escaping from something. A retreat is about returning to yourself. It's a curated environment, intentionally designed to break your daily routine and spark deep internal change. We're talking expert guidance, intentional practices like meditation, silence, movement, or deep inquiry. It's a container where the outside world can't reach you, allowing your internal world to finally speak up. At spiritualitysource.com, we see these events as sacred portals, stepping stones to a more awake version of yourself. Why is this so crucial in 2026? Because your nervous system is likely screaming for a break. Our brains are designed to adapt, but they're not designed for constant overwhelm. Retreats provide a critical pattern interrupt. By removing daily splitters, you create the space for emotional healing and mental clarity, the fundamental building blocks of sustained happiness. Think about it: same house, same coffee mug, same conversations. Your brain stays in a loop. To truly change your life, you often have to change your geography, even if just for a few days. We're talking neuroplasticity here, the science of how new environments and mindful practices literally rewire your brain for peace. It's not just vibes. It's profound biological and psychological healing. Optional, briefly reference the 7 reasons retreats are important for a happy life here, with a link to the blog post. At Spirituality Source, we have a core belief. You are not broken. You are not a machine that needs fixing. You are a vast, intricate ecosystem that sometimes gets clogged with the debris of modern living. Retreats are about clearing away that dust so your natural, radiant light can shine again. This isn't about floating on a cloud of bliss. True, practical growth is often messy. It involves other participants act as mirrors. The people who trigger you, that's often where your healing is. We hold trauma in our hips, shoulders, and jaw. Movement-based retreats help shake out what words alone cannot reach. Being around a master teacher or a focused high-vibration group accelerates your progress far faster than a year of solo YouTube tutorials. Remember, you don't go on a retreat to find a new version of yourself. You go to let go of the versions that no longer serve you. This is where it gets personal. How do you choose the right retreat for your energy? You identify your current soul deficit. Don't just pick the one with the prettiest Instagram photos. Ask yourself, what is my soul hungry for right now? If you're physically and mentally exhausted, you need a soft retreat. Gentle yoga, long naps, organic meals, pure restoration. If you feel stagnant, craving deeper meaning or spiritual insight, you need hard introspection, silence, deep meditation, philosophical study. Standing at a crossroads in 2026, you need a new beginning retreat, focused on clarity and intenting. If you're unsure, our Mindful New Beginning Step-by-Step Guide 2026 is the perfect pre-retreat homework. Not all retreats are created equal, and that's a good thing. Depending on where you are in your journey, you might resonate with different flavors of transformation. This isn't just about touching your toes. It's about the profound union of breath and bone. Imagine a revitalize with 5-day Hawaiian yoga retreat, tropical air, ocean sounds, deep release. Sometimes we need the specific, powerful energy of a sisterhood. Our Women Wellness Retreat in Sedona focuses on reclaiming power and nurturing the divine feminine in a hypertext space. You don't always need a passport. Sometimes you just need a Saturday that isn't spent at the mall. A day rejuvenating yoga retreat in LA, USA can provide enough of a spark to get you through a stressful month. One of the most intimidating yet profoundly effective types of retreats is the silent retreat. Why would anyone pay to not talk? When you stop talking, that internal narrator, that voice constantly judging, planning, and narrating your day eventually runs out of things to say. And when that voice finally goes quiet, your intuition gets the microphone. Studies show that extended silence doesn't just lower cortisol, it actually increases gray matter in parts of the brain associated with self-awareness and compassion. Silence isn't the absence of something, it's the presence of everything. How you show up to a retreat determines what you get out of it. If you arrive hot, meaning you worked until 10 p.m. and rushed to the airport, it will take you 3 days just to land. 3 days before you leave, start cutting out caffeine and refined sugar. Dim the lights earlier. Gently prepare your system. Write a letter to yourself. Dear self, I am going on this journey because. What do you want to leave behind? What do you want to bring home? Tell your friends and family you will be unreachable. The world will not collapse if you don't check your email for 72 hours. Trust me, this is a crucial point that most guides won't tell you. Usually, around day 3 of a week-long retreat, people want to leave. This is a well-known phenomenon, affectionately called the mid-retreat dip. The initial honeymoon phase of relaxation wears off, and the actual work begins. Old memories might surface. You might feel irritable, bored, or even angry. This is a sign it's working. The dip is simply your ego trying to protect itself from changing. If you can stay through the dip, you'll find the breakthrough on the other side. Trust the process. The biggest mistake people make is treating a retreat like a bubble. They have a peak experience, fly home, and immediately get into an argument in traffic. That amazing feeling, gone. Integration is the most important part of this entire guide. To keep that glow alive, if you woke at 6 a.m. to meditate at the retreat, keep doing one small ritual at home for at least 21 days. Consistency is magic. Don't book big meetings the day you return. Give yourself a buffer day to simply exist in your own home with your new energy. Stay in touch with the people you met. They are your tribe now, and they understand what you just went through. So, after all of this, are you ready? Let us do a quick why audit. Do you feel numb or on autopilot in your daily life? Do you have a big decision to make and can't hear your intuition? Does your body feel tight, heavy, or blocked? Are you craving deep, meaningful conversation over small talk? Are you willing to be uncomfortable for the sake of growth? If you checked 3 or more, it's not a suggestion. It's a whisper from your soul. It's time to look at our events and retreats section. Remember, you are the sky. Everything else, the weather, the storms, the retreats is just what passes through. Your inner peace is waiting for the full, in-depth, transformative retreat guide, including all the links to our recommended 2026 retreats. Hit the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Spirituality Source for more wisdom, and let us know in the comments what kind of retreat is calling your name.